how to insert an Iota symbol in Microsoft Word. First off, we want to open Microsoft Word. And as you can see right here, we have our document ready. Now the Iota symbol is denoted by the letter I that is almost italic. So to insert our symbol, of course, we have to go into the Insert tab. Now click on Symbols, click on More Symbols. Now let's go ahead and change our font to Arial. Now let's change our subset to Greek and Coptic. Now let's look for the Iota symbol, which is denoted by the letter I without anything above it. And it is this one right here with the Unicode name Greek small letter Iota. Now click on Insert. And as you can see, we now have an Iota symbol in our Word document. Another way that you can do this is simply by typing in this code 03B9 and by clicking Alt X on your keyboard, and that should also transform into an Iota symbol. I hope this helped, and I will see you soon.